talk about some example of Databricks, how to use the Databricks notebook. So I open here the notebooks here in my workflow. So you go to in the Databricks workflow. So sorry, the data workspace, and I uploaded my files, and this file I'm going to give you guys. And here the example, some basic notebook operations. So let's go through this one, right? So Databricks Notebook provide an interactive environment for data engineering, data science, and analytics directly integrating with Databricks platform. And Databricks Notebook, you see, you can run the SQL query, same time you can run Python code, and SQL, Python, Scala, and R. And there are various commands. So if it is Python, so this is my file. If you see Python, so I can run Python, but I can run, if I have Python file, I can even run SQL. So I need to use some specific command like this. I'm going to do. So this for Python, you can use Python Python, %R, Python Scala, Python SQL, SS for shell script, FS for shortcut for dbutil file system command, MD for markdown style, run for execute remote notebook from notebook, pip is for install the Python library. So this is the Databricks utility, FS, secrets, notebook, wizard, jobs, right? So these are creating notebook, writings into code, interactive. So let's talk about the exercise. Okay. So here, command fail. So I'm connecting to my cluster, and this one can be scheduled. I haven't tried schedule part, but there is a way to schedule like manual, daily, and that. And cluster is this one, start and success failure. Then you will get notification. Parameter also you can pass key and value, right? Some date part and runtime, and okay. So let's run this one. I'm going to start with here. So this is Python. If you see here, we have many languages, and here we are using Python. So it's very simple, and it's running Python, right? In the similarly way, we can run SQL. Since it's Python file, so we are running SQL, so we should use to give this way. And it's running backend the Spark jobs, and Spark jobs running, and then it will print hello SQL. And then markdown, we don't need this one. This is the not. So here there is a file, which no, here is command just we run. And here we are running directly run, and then SQL file we can also run command, it should be there. And it's running, and also there is a way to go here and just type here control command and click, so it will go to that file. So let's run this one, and it's creating some view. Data sets are installing, located in USA depending upon region, workspace, something is happening here, and this one we can see I'm also in my workspace, and then we run this one. So this is very simple. If you guys know the Python, this is notebook of Anaconda, so you need to install the Anaconda and see in the local, but in Databricks it's already integrated, so it's very really interactive. So first, when I start with Databricks, I thought it's very expensive and very difficult to use, but we need to involve. If you really want to learn something, you need to involve deep involved in that project. So I started learning, and I got some example of Databricks projects, and I'm doing exploring those things. I'm not writing anything new, just exploring the whatever they have, and then I will create a new projects in my organization. And so yeah, so let's run this one. Let's wait for this one. Then only can we run this one. And there is we also provide set of the notebook throughout the course and configuration. So DA is Databricks utility. DA is a Databricks utility, and then you can use this one. So this utility I said here. These are the utility DA Databricks utility. So you can use dbuild FSLS, dbuild secret get, get notebook dot run figured. So this is the here path, workforce, schema, name. So there are various things, and then here the path, and then we are assigning here, accessing here, current username, current working directory, current schema, and Databricks utility da dot datasets, data utility fs. So here just wait. Once it will run finish, then we can start. It's still copying, it's checking time, and Databricks utility also we can run. Display also they have FSLS path and files. Downloading notebooks. Download is very simple. Just you can go here and downloads. I think it's here exports DBC archive source file. IPython HTML source file is a Python file versioning, and there are various things. User guide, getting started with Databricks, and there are many things you can learn from here. da.cleanup, so it can clean up also your file unless it will check the space. And it's running this one. I'm checking my compute. Is there anything? Oh, so it's running here, and I also knew for AWS Singapore, but I need to search. So we basically is we are using AWS file system and storing here in AWS S3 buckets data. But I will, in the coming lecture, I'm going to explore. You guys can learn with me. I'm also learning, so you guys also can learn together. So it's a very good thing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.